Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing Elite 64's latest offering. Before the main event though, let's start off with the warm-up support axe. I can't actually remember what I've got, so this will be a surprise. Right, what have we got here? The Mercedes AMG GT3 and the Fleet Street. This is a nice looking model. I wanted this for the AMG Fleet Street. I'm going to put that to use in a diorama. And it's a nice casting. Right, so this one has been a long time coming. Long time coming. Let's get you out. This I've been searching for. It's the Liberty Walk Transport. It's come in a protective case as well, that's good. Yeah, this is the one that flips open. A flip side hauler with the Liberty Walk Silhouette GT Nissan 35 GT-RR, and it's in there. Right, anyone on the lookout for this? I finally got my hands on it. What do you think of that? Okay, here's our final support act. This one I think will be a straight tear. So this, what have we got here? This is the Pop Race Honda NSX GT3 Evo 22. I believe it's the Carbon edition. And now we come to the main event. Let's get this one open. Here we are, Elite 64. So it's the Liberty Walk Lamborghini Aventador LP700-4. What a beauty that one is. And let's pop this one out quickly. Here we go. Ah, look at that. It's nice and heavy, good weight. I'll be looking forward to unboxing that at a later date. Did you buy this one? Have you received yours? What do you think of it? Elite 64, the latest model.